Hey, Scott from PetraTools here. And if you're in the market for a lightweight 4-gallon sprayer that's perfect for use around your home, garden, or greenhouse, then our newly redesigned LT-PRO might be just the tool you're looking for. It's battery powered too, so you can spray for up to 3 hours on a single charge without pumping. Whether you're shopping for the perfect sprayer or you've already ordered one and you want to find some additional information, this video is going to be packed with suggestions and tips to get the most out of this battery-powered dynamo. Let's take a look inside the box and see why the LT-PRO is a customer favorite for both residential and commercial use. Like our other PetraTools sprayers, most of the heavy lifting's already been done at the factory, and I'll have you ready to start spraying in under 5 minutes. And right out of the box, we see the accessories bag, which we'll go through in a minute. Here's the wand, which is plastic. That allows you to spray virtually any liquid that you could want. It's also telescoping, so you can get right up close to what you're spraying. And finally, we have the sprayer itself. Like all our larger sprayers, you'll notice that the LT-PRO has a wide mouth lid on top, which makes pouring, mixing, and cleaning super easy. And like our other sprayers, there's a strainer inside the lid too that will filter out any grass or foreign objects from getting in when you're mixing or pouring. Now, one of the first things I tell our customers to do when they get a new PetraTools sprayer is to open up the lid and take a quick glance down inside. Sometimes the guys at the warehouse will put the manual, the charger, or the accessories bag inside, and you don't want those things getting wet. And right here, we see the lithium battery charger, which I'm going to put aside for now. The other feature I wanted to point out about this 4-gallon tank is the secondary strainer down at the bottom. That prevents any debris from making its way down into the pump. With every PetraTools sprayer we sell, we include a full color manual that'll help familiarize you with your new unit. We're a proud US-based family-owned company, and we design and print all our own manuals. This manual is going to walk you through everything you need to know, as well as give you important safety information that you're going to want to follow. Put this in a safe place, but if you do happen to lose it, check out one of our great starter videos, like this one, on our website. Turning the unit around, we see the padded backpack straps. The straps are attached right out of the box, but you will need to clip these on down here at the bottom. And those clip right there. And that one clips down there. Notice too the comfy back pad that we've attached to the back of the tank. Moving down the side of the unit, you'll see that we've included measurement markings on the 4-gallon translucent tank. These show you at a glance how much liquid you have left in your tank, or they can be used for measuring out solution if you're mixing. Over here, you see the LT-PRO's on-off rocker switch. Unlike our other units with variable pressure, the LT-PRO's controls are simplified for easy use. Simply flip the switch. Remember, when using any PetraTools sprayer, that O means off. Flip that red rocker switch and you're spraying. With a motor capable of over 60 psi of pressure, this is a great unit for a wide variety of applications. The LT-PRO has hundreds of great reviews online, but one of the comments that we see the most is how quiet this sprayer is. And no matter what job you've got lined up, you'll appreciate the quiet PetraTools motor that we put in this unit. The battery on the LT-PRO is a lithium ion type. We went with the lithium ion in this unit for a couple of reasons. One, it's super lightweight compared to lead acid batteries. And the LT-PRO2 is designed to be a lightweight tool that you'll feel comfortable using for hours at a time if you need to. The other reason we decided to put a lithium battery in here is to make it easy to charge and easy to pop in a fully charged replacement for longer jobs. Simply open this clear cover, press the eject button, and the battery slides out quickly. You can order extra batteries for this unit on our website. The other feature that customers love about this battery is the built-in battery meter, so you know your state of charge at a glance. Okay. If we turn the sprayer over to the other side, we see that the hose is already installed. No threading required. We've also attached the valve handle, which has a handy locking mechanism that allows you to spray for hours without hand cramps or fatigue. Now let's check out the accessory pack and see what comes included with the LT-PRO. We recommend checking everything out when you first open the box, and like every product we sell, we encourage you to give us a call if anything is missing or was damaged on its journey to you. It happens. The first thing we notice inside the bag is the nozzles. We include 5 nozzles with the LT-PRO, and they offer you a spray pattern for every job you might have to tackle, from a 15-foot high pressure stream to a delicate mist. Let's check them out one by one. The orange cone nozzle can reach up to 8 to 10 feet with a soaking shower, but is adjustable to give a finer mist too. The orange cone stays on all my sprayers pretty regularly, and not just because it's my favorite color. Speaking of misting applications, we have a double and a single misting nozzle. You can spot these quickly because they've got the red tips. We were just visiting with friends in California, and they love the misting nozzles to spray their birds of paradise flowers. Absolutely breathtaking blossoms, but very delicate too, and the misting nozzle works great for those. Next we have the fan spray nozzle. This will allow you to use green grass paint, mulch paint, or other applications where you want a wide spray pattern. And lastly, we have the bendy nozzle. Keep this one away from children and middle-aged men, or you'll never get it back. This nozzle does it all, from a straight stream of 8 to 10 feet to a wider spray pattern. And of course it allows you to angle your spray to reach hanging plants or vines. Next we see the lithium battery charger. With an auto shutoff, you can plug the battery in and forget about it. And for regular use, you can simply charge in between jobs. For longer storage, like over the winter, make sure you bring the unit inside so it doesn't freeze, and keep your battery at around 50% charge. Plug it in when spring arrives, and you'll be ready to spray. These lithium batteries will give you years of service. I encourage all our customers to read over our extended warranty cards too. We include one with all our sprayers, and it gets you access to our warehouse gurus for an even longer period of time. You can be certain that the fine folks who answer the phones at our Carlisle, Pennsylvania warehouse know all of our products and can walk you through any issues that you're having. So fill out that extended warranty card so you can reach out to them anytime you need to. For the last part of this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your LT-PRO and get it ready for your first use. And this is going to be short. There's not much that you need to do. Simply thread the HD wand onto the valve handle. Now we recommend wrapping this in plumber's tape first, but for this video I'm just going to thread this on. You can't do it the wrong way. Now notice too that the wand on our larger sprayers are telescoping. Simply unthread it here at this point, and you can extend the wand out to reach wherever you're spraying. PetraTools is a US-based company, and we stand behind every rock-solid product that we sell with amazing customer service. A lot of the 5-star reviews we get on our products say how much folks love our sprayers and the support that we provide after the sale. So thanks so much for your purchase, or if you haven't bought one yet, add it to your cart today. I know you're going to love using our LT-PRO 2.0. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep spraying.